My name is Ron Kuchar. I'm the owner and head baker of Ron's Artisan Breads in Dayton, Ohio. We bake bread for restaurants in the area, and I also have a small retail at the 2nd Street Market. I have a hydraulic dough divider. It basically takes a big piece of dough and in less than 30 seconds cuts it into 20 smaller pieces, and it blew its hydraulic seal. I'm here at Paradigm because the hydraulic cylinder is not easy to get to. And I had 2 different people tell me that if I had a challenging issue that the gentleman at Paradigm would be able to fix it, not just correctly, but also quickly. These are the guys.
Ron's Artisan Bread brought us in this dough separator. The complaint was that the hydraulic cylinder was leaking oil. Unfortunately, the cylinder's in the bottom, so we had to tear the whole machine down. I pulled the cylinder out, resealed it, put everything back together, and now we're in the final stages here of assembly. Just getting everything tightened down, making sure everything works like it's supposed to. This is my first time with one of these projects. Never messed with a dough separator before. This is new in my world of machine repair. But it's the same as any other machine. It's just, you gotta learn it.
Paradigm repaired that divider really quick, which was fantastic because dropped it off on a Tuesday morning and I picked it up on a Thursday morning, which is when we start preparing doughs for the weekend bake, which is when we're really busy. Even though they'd never seen anything like that machine before, they were undaunted. They were just like, yep, we'll get it done.